watch. Cup your hands together. Cup your hands together and just pull them apart like this and just hang out. Now, do I want you to have your fingers open or your fingers cupped together? Good. So does that mean I want your thumbs up or does that mean I want your thumbs down? Okay, do it again. By the way, have I given one instruction yet or one command? Have I? Or have I just been giving you hints what I want you to do? Okay? Cup your hands together, pull them apart. That was an instruction. Okay? Now, what do you feel between your hands? Okay. How many of you feel any like air rushing back and forth between your hands? How many of you feel like there's energy going back and forth, or like if you pull your hands apart, you can actually feel something. You feel it, right? Okay, like a magnet, right? So that's energy. Listen, I talked about this. You have superpowers. You just haven't been trained how to do it. Rub your hands together again. Cup your hands. Pull them apart. We're actually going to do that next, actually. Oh, that's awesome. Good for you. And now feel that energy between your hands so that even if you pull your hands even more apart, the energy just kind of spreads out so you still feel it. Welcome to Superpowers 101. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do what you did, and you're going to shoot your energy to other people just like that. Go. Make a sound. And now create an energy bubble. So create a bubble around yourself. Create it all over just like that. This is what I teach my kids to do so that whenever there's an energy vampire, whenever there's somebody around that's just negative, they protect themselves with their own energy. If this is something that's interesting to you, then look up Reiki, R-E-I-K-I, and if you forget, then you take one of my magnets that's over there and you reach out to me later on, or just look into energy work. Especially if you're somebody that your hands are always hot. If your hands are always hot and you're a natural healer, then look into that because you can make a massive difference for people. Does that make sense? Okay, cool.